Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I will be showing you guys how I make my rice water. So what you would need is rice, of course, which I got from Target, a plastic bowl, and then you will need measuring cups. I usually use the half cup and then the 1 full cup. Okay, so now I'm going to take my half a cup and measure out a half a cup of rice. Ooh, honey, please excuse them elbows and them knuckles, because honey, I am ashy. I just got the shower and don't mind my nails. But okay, here I got my half cup of rice, poured it in the bowl. As you can see, I'm going to show you the grains, pretty grains of rice. Okay, now time to clean the rice. So I just clean the rice just to get all the dirt off the rice, because you know it is fresh grains, so I want to get all that gritty stuff off. So as you see, the water's cloudy, and then I'll just dump that out. Okay, so now that I got all the rice clean, I'm going to take a cup, 1 full cup of water, and dump it into my rice bowl. And voila, that's really it. So now I just let it sit, honestly, until the next day. So good morning, it is the next day. This is how the rice look in the water. So I'm going to grab my spray bottle. I'm going to grab my funnel tunnel so I can pour the water of rice into my spray bottle, like so. Okay, so now I got all the water into my spray bottle, and I just throw the rice away. So yep, when I have 1 cup, it usually fills up my spray bottle. So I prefer 1 cup. I mean, you guys can do a half a cup, 2 cups. It's just up to you and how much hair and water you're gonna use. So now this is what I do. I prefer to put my main choice growth oil in, because honey, you know, who don't want growth? So that's what I'm gonna do. I just take like 2 squirts and then I close up my spray bottle. I give this magic potion a shake, and it is ready to go, ready to use. Spray on your scalp and you're gonna love it. Please guys, just try this out and let me know how it goes for you. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I really hope you guys enjoy my video. Bye, see you in the next one.